why when Jesus came, he began to correct Moses. He began to correct Moses. Because what Moses saw was in a vision. And the vision was concerning Christ. And what you see in a vision sometimes cannot be accurate. So when Jesus said, he said, let me correct Moses, because Moses tried to talk about me, but he couldn't say it well. The New Testament is not a complement of the Old Testament. The New Testament is a replacement of the Old Testament, because the Old Testament is types and shadows. The Old Testament is prophecies and promises, because in those prophecies are promises. The New Testament is a fulfillment of the types, the shadows, the prophecies, and the fulfillment. So that's why when Jesus came, he began to correct Moses. He began to correct Moses, because what Moses saw was in a vision, and the vision was concerning Christ. And what you see in a vision sometimes cannot be accurate. So when Jesus said, he said, let me correct Moses, because Moses tried to talk about me, but he couldn't say it well. So Jesus began to say, you have heard, you have read, it has been said, but I say. Moses said, an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. But I say, if they slap you this side, turn the other side. Bless those that curse you, that you may be the children of your father. What was Jesus doing? He was saying, I am here to correct Moses. Moses didn't have it accurate. He was trying to talk about me. I have arrived. I am the message. I can put things in perspective. Listen carefully. On the Mount of Transfiguration, we saw three figures. Moses, the greatest guy in Israel, the lawgiver. Elijah, the law restorer. There are two men that the Jews celebrate greatly, Moses and Elijah. They appeared on the Mount of Transfiguration with Jesus. And Peter said, wow, the Bible is complete. It has never been complete like this before. We have Moses, the law. We have Elijah, the prophets. We have Jesus, the grace of God. Let us build tabernacles, one for Moses, one for Elijah, one for Jesus. Moses said, Elijah, what are you doing there? What are you still doing there? I'm gone. Before you knew it, Elijah was gone. Only Jesus was left standing. Then the heavens opened and a voice came out of heaven. This is my beloved son. This is the one that pleases me. Hear this one. Don't hear Moses. Don't hear Elijah. Hear this one. That's to say, from now, this is the one to hear. The days of Elijah are over. That's why when the church sings, these are the days of Elijah, I get angry. What is Elijah coming here to do? Elijah is a servant. These are not the days of Elijah. These are the days of the manifestation of the sons. Am I talking to somebody here? These are the days of the sons of God. Behold, now are we the sons. Behold, what manner of love the Father has bestowed upon us, that we should be called the sons of God. As many as receive him, to them gave he power to become. Where are the sons in the building? Where are the sons in the building? I declare over you by the power of the Holy Ghost, whatever Elijah and Moses could not get is available to you now. Lift your hand, shout, I receive grace. Shout grace 2 times. Sit down, cross your legs.